Hello friends, today we are discussing on the topic is arrays in Java. So let's start. An array in Java is a group of like type variables referred to by a common name. Arrays in Java work differently than they do in C or C++. Follows are some important points in the below. So let's start. First point. In Java, all arrays are dynamically allocated. Next one is arrays are stored in a consecutively memory location. Next one is since arrays are objects in Java, we can find their length using the object properly length. This is a different from C and C++, where we find the length using size of keyword. A next point is a Java array variables can also be declared like other variables with square braces after the data type. The variables in the Java arrays are ordered and each has an index beginning from 0. Java arrays can also use as static field, a local variable or a method parameter. The size of an array must be specified by int or short value and not a long. The different superclass of array type is object. Every array type implements the interface colonials and the Java specific specialization. This storage of arrays helps us in randomly accessing the elements of a array. Next point is the size of array cannot be alternate. However, an array references can be made to join the another way. An array can so let's talk on array. An array can contain primitive, int character, etc. and object or non-primitive references of a class. Depending on the definitions of the array in the clause of primitive data types, the actual value are stored in contiguously memory location. In the case of class object, the actual object are stored in heap segment. So, so how to creating, initializing and accessing an array. One dimension arrays, two dimension arrays, three dimension arrays. Although, so initializing an array in Java. When an array is declared, only reference of an array is created to create or give memory to the array. You create an array like this, the general form of now as it applies to the dimensional arrays appears to follows. Here, type specifies the type of a base being allocated. Size determines the number of elements. Thank you.